This is Mrs. Beasley. She's meeting with Dr. Scott, her hematologist, today to show him the results of her latest PCR test. The doctor explains to Mrs. Beasley that her treatment is no longer effective and that she will need to change to a different treatment. Mrs. Beasley decides to get a second opinion. She gets the test done, again, in another lab, and the next day she takes the results to Dr. Halpert. She gives the doctor her test results, and what a surprise! The doctor explains to Mrs. Beasley that her treatment is proving effective and there is no need to change to a new treatment. What is happening? Two identical tests with opposite results? Attention, please! How did two identical tests get such different results? What is going on here?
I don't know.
Je ne sais pas. Ich weiß nicht.
C'est right?
Version 1.
Ipsogen.
Blood sample exchange.
Aha! This lab is like a modern Tower of Babel. That explains it. Everybody speaks a different language. When you don't want someone's life to get lost in translation, the only solution is standardization. International scale usage in the lab
Can save lives.
What makes international scale the best standard? Consistency of results between labs. Absolute rather than relative scale. Common scale for publication. Common scale for clinical trials. Accurately determined therapeutic molecular milestones. Compliance with treatment guidelines. Necessary for participation in clinical trials. The Israeli Lab Workers Forum identified these advantages and published an official recommendation to use the international scale standard. Following that, 7 labs have already implemented the standard. International scale. Join the revolution. Novartis Oncology.